Greg here at Integrity Power Sports. We have a really clean 2012 Harley Davidson Street Glide, 23,453 miles on it, and it is for sale. The customer added a tour pack, a couple other upgrades, Reinhardt exhausts, trim pieces, with a 6-speed 103 motor. Beautiful red paint. The non-ABS bike. Just serviced and detailed, looking sharp. With the halo ring headlight and 95 lights, which is nice. Beautiful street glide. You can find it online, integritypreowned.com, or come see it in our showroom at 415 Oak Street in Port Orange, Florida. Love to see you there. Thanks for checking out this video. Always remember to ride safe.